really short and brief because the Colonel covered everything. Well, I do want to say, Carol, it's almost the beginning. And Carol, thank you for your commitment, especially to the crisis team. There's been many times that you could have walked away. Many times a lot of you could have just walked away and left. But I think people that have been involved for a period of time, Lindsay, family, I think there's a saying that goes, you haven't lived until you've helped someone who can't ever repay you for what you've done. And I'm paraphrasing that. That's the truth. There's many people in this room that sit that do other things in conjunction with the crisis team. And it's about volunteering. It's about giving back to your community, about making a difference. And I get to speak to those victims as well. I get to visit their houses, I get to visit the crime scenes, I get to sit with them afterwards when the crime is being investigated with the station commander and the colonel and the detectives. And you guys play such an important role within that whole timeline. It's just something that can't even be expressed to people unless they've experienced it. They don't have to experience it. But we know as well from the CPF, from SAPS, as the colonel has said, you can pick up the phone oftentimes. WhatsApp to Lindsay, send it already on it. So it's what you guys do can never be repaid. Please, one thing that I always get told, when people volunteer, what makes a volunteer a volunteer? Only you know in your heart. That's what makes you a volunteer. Please don't give up, stick with it. You're making a massive difference. Even if you make a difference in one person's life, you save them from trauma, you save them from suicide, all those types of things. You're saving the families from traumatic experiences, and even SAPS members from time to time that also need counselling for traumatic experiences. So thank you. You guys are the heroes in our community. So just keep it up, and we thank you. Another 10 years?